You want to learn to fade like this, or cut like that, or use the razor like this? Well, it's your boy DK, the barber here at Swift Tips. Let's hop in the video, guys. Let's go ahead and comb the hair out with a pick or comb. And right here, I'm just knocking down some of the bulk. I'm really not too worried about evening it out at the moment because I'm just trying to get the skin line in here. So grab those trimmers, your edgers, and create that guideline for this low razor fade. Let's grab our blending clippers, make sure that lever's open, and go about an inch above the guideline that we just created, okay? You're gonna wanna do this around the entire head. What we do on one side, we have to do on the other. So let's even it out and make it happen. Now slap that one clip on your clipper. Some call it a 1/8 inch, some call it a 3 millimeters. Whatever floats your boat, make it happen. Slap the clip on your clippers, go about an inch up. Now slap that 1.5 clip on the clippers. We're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna open up the lever and get some wrist flick action, okay? Pull away from the head at the last minute. Knock off all clips on your clippers. We're going no guard, lever close, attacking that first guideline we created with our trimmers. So guys, you're gonna wanna pull that lever back slowly as you go a little higher. Take it step by step. Slap that 1/16 clip on your clippers. Follow this guideline. We're attacking that second layer. We're going after that second layer, guys. Lever open, adding that wrist flick action. If you guys don't know what I mean by that, it's when you pull away from the head, creating a better blend. Now, let's close the lever and go back at that fade, okay? Make sure we're going centimeters at a time, okay? Cock back that lever about halfway, and let's get this blend on point. Bam. You might have to play around with the lever, fluctuate with it open and closed to get the right blend. By the time you're done with this video, your blending skills is gonna be off the hook. All right, guys, let's slap that one clip back on the clippers. This time we're gonna go lever closed. What we're doing here is pretty much finalizing the fading process so we can hop into the beard and some shear work on top. But like I said, you guys might have to fluctuate that lever up and down like a hydraulic car to get that nice blendy blend. Let's hop into that scriffity scruff scrap and go at that beard with the lever closed. But this time we're blending downwards, okay? We're still gonna pull back the lever step by step, still use the 0.5 clip, still use the 1 clip, and still use the 1.5 clip. We're gonna use the same principles that I taught you to do the fade blending upwards, but we're gonna apply it to the beard blending downwards. Since we already trimmed the top and knocked off most of the bulk as shown in the beginning in the video, we're pretty much just gonna even the haircut out with the shears, okay? So pull the hair upwards as shown in the video. Nice precision, clean cuts. You see that, guys? I'm sorry, I got distracted for a second. But what you wanna do is pull the hair with the opposite hand that you hold your shears with, pull it up towards the sky and get a nice, clean, straight cut. Do this throughout the entire head. Finally, let's hop into some beard work. Grab them trimmers or edgers and let's go and tippity tap that scriffity scruff scraff. For beginners, it's always good to do less. Less is more when it comes to edging, so just tippity tap. That's what I mean by tippity tapping, is just to tap that edge up. Use the natural hairline guidelines for the edge up, for the beard edge up, for the hairline. No matter what you're doing, the more natural you do it, the better, especially if you're beginning, because you won't chance messing the client up, okay? That applies to the hairline, it applies to the lip line, and it applies to the beard edge up too. So since we're on the topic of edge ups, let's pull out our razor and get to the beard line. Check out all that excess hair. Most barbers forget to grab that and shave these areas, such as underneath the cheek or on the top of the hairline. I like to reverse shave that hair so it takes longer to grow back. Not just that, when the sun hits you during the day, those blondies glow, okay? The small details are the most important, such as stretching the skin when you're shaving your client. This prevents the probability of you nicking or cutting your client. If you have a coil shaver, pull that bad boy out and finish the haircut off with a clean coil shave. Remember, guys, if you don't have a coil shaver, use a straight blade razor. That's what I'm here to teach you. Innovate. Let's make it happen regardless. No excuses. Let's just do, okay? Not talk about it, be about it. It's your boy, DK the Barber, back at it again with another video. This is Swift Tips, how to do a low razor fade beard trim with shear work on top. Click the videos on the left if you want to see more Swift Tips. If not, click the videos on the right. Gotta go. Bye.